Good morning and welcome to Nanolex. We're here today on a snowy Monday morning to give the G-Wagon a quick wash. It was coated here a year ago and we're here to check that everything is still working as it should do. Washing the matte vehicle, we use a few different products, but the initial decontamination will be exactly the same as normal with wheel cleaner, pre-wash, and then heading on to shampoo with the matte reactivating shampoo, which will add a little bit of protection but also doesn't increase any gloss on the paintwork. And then finishing off with some matte finer finish, again adds that little bit of finer finish product that we all love and know, but without the gloss enhancer on the matte paintwork. So we're going to start with the wheels. First up, the wheel cleaner with iron remover, applying it evenly onto the wheel. And then I'll go straight ahead with then some professional wheel cleaner, 1 to 5 on the tyres to bring the dirt out from the tyres as well. Remember making sure to change the angle of the spray to make sure you hit all the areas, and also going into the wheel to get the wheel bed as well. Also remembering with the products not to allow them to dry on the vehicle. The weather we have today is fairly cold, we've got a bit more working time. And then straight on with 1 to 5 wheel cleaner, professional. So we've allowed the wheels to sit for a couple of minutes. Now we're just going to agitate with a couple of brushes to make sure the wheels are as clean as I possibly can. First, I'll start with the tyres, giving them a nice clean. So now time to rinse off the wheels. Okay, with the wheels now given a quick clean and looking a lot better, we're going to focus our attention onto the paintwork. Again, we're going to go with some wheel cleaner and iron remover to remove any iron deposits that have been built up on the paintwork. And we'll apply it again so it's got a nice closed film anywhere where you'd normally get iron deposits, so from the brakes coming off, and then also a lot around the back through the wind tunnel effect. Okay, so we've got the wheel cleaner at the moment dwelling on the vehicle, and we're going to add it on top of that professional pre-wash. Got 500 millilitres water. I'm going to make it 1 to 10, and then through the pressure washer it's going to dilute it down to 1 to 100. Now we're just using a soft brush to go around a few of the tighter areas to make sure it's all nicely clean and as much dirt is taken off before we go with the shampoo. Okay, with the vehicle now rinsed from the pre-wash, it's time to get some shampoo to finish off the cleaning process. Going to mix up a little bit in the foam sprayer, also in the bucket, and use a combination of the two methods. So we're going to mix again in the foam sprayer 1 to 10, and in the bucket I use 3 caps. So and then we're going to wash the vehicle. Nice and light, no pressure. remembering to rinse out the wash pad. So here you can see the little bit of rejuvenation effect from the matte shampoo. It's beading nicely, giving the matte Si3D from last year another extra layer of protection. So we're now onto the drying stage. We're going to use matte finer finish. I'm going to spray a little bit onto the drying towel and it will be used as a drying help. We can also use it like a quick detailer on the bodywork, which we'll show you later. So it's just a few light sprays on the cloth. We'll turn it over. Again, no pressure. And we can dry it nicely. As previously said, we can also use the matte finer finish as a quick detailer. A couple of squirts onto a cloth and apply it onto the panel, turn the cloth over and buff off. And there we have it, one vehicle, matte in colour, cleaned and given a bit of protection, ready to go back out into the snow. Thanks for watching.